Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Resma Tiffany Aurelianti with student number is 206130001. In this video, I'm going to do portfolio exam for respiratory tract and gastrointestinal tract. The first is respiratory tract. First is salbutamol. It is for bronchodilator, irreversible airway obstruction due to asthma. For the side effects are nausea, cough, headache, dizziness, and asthma exacerbation. For drug interaction is alpha beta blocker may decrease the therapeutic effect of beta 2 agonist. Risky consider therapy modification. Off-label therapy for physiologically similar chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Mechanism action, relax bronchial smooth muscle by action on beta 2 receptor with little effect on heart rate. Route administration by infusion, oral, and inhalation. Special population for pediatric, pregnancy category C, lactation, and gastric use. Brand name are 4 mg tablet Suprasma, 2 mg per 5 ml syrup glycine, 2 mg per 5 ml syrup Astarol. Second drug is Tarbutaline. It is for bronchodilator irreversible airway obstruction and bronchial asthma. Side effects are nausea, headache, dizziness, tremor, and nervousness. Drug interaction, alpha beta blocker may diminish the therapeutic effect of beta 2 agonist. Please consider therapy modification. Off-label tocolytic agent, management of pattern labor. Mechanism action, relax bronchial smooth muscle by action on beta 2 receptor with less effect on heart rate. Route administration by infusion, oral, and injection. Special population are pediatric, pregnancy category B, lactation, and gastric use. Brand name are 2.5 mg caplet Neosma, 2.5 mg tablet Asmabet, 2.5 mg tablet Tasmalin. The third drug is theophylline. It is to treat of symptom and reversible airway obstruction due to chronic asthma or other chronic lung disease. Side effects are nausea, vomiting, headache, insomnia, and diarrhea. Drug interaction, adenosine, theophylline D-reactive may diminish the therapeutic effect of adenosine. Please consider therapy modification. Off-label, bradycardia, heart transplantation. Mechanism action, cause bronchodilation, diuresis, CNS, and cardiostimulation, and gastric acid secretion by blocking phosphodiesterase, which increase the tissue concentration of CAMP, which in turn promote catecholamine, stimulation of lipolysis, glycogenolysis, and gluconeogenesis, and induce release of epinephrine from adrenal medulla cell. Route administration by oral, injection, and infusion. Special population, pediatric, pregnancy category C, lactation, defiling, gastric use, and renal impairment. Brand name 130 mg soft caplet boncophilin, 100 mg caplet tofabron, 100 mg per 15 ml syrup bronsulfan. The next is gastrointestinal drug. The first drug is omeprazole. It is for heartburn and other symptoms associated with GERD, gastric and duodenal ulcers. Side effects are nausea, vomiting, headache, dizziness, and constipation. Drug interaction, atazanavir, proton pump inhibitor may decrease the absorption of atazanavir. Risky consider therapy modification. Off-label, healing and NSAID, induced ulcers, stress ulcers, prophylaxis in the critically ill. Mechanism action, proton pump inhibitor, suppress gastric basal and stimulate acid secretion by inhibiting the parietal cell H+ or K+ ATP pump. Route administration by oral and injection. Special population for ASEAN ethnicity, elderly, pediatric, and hepatic impairment. Brand name are 20 mg caplet Prilos, 20 mg caplet Prohibit, 20 mg caplet Tamazole. Second drug is lansoprazole. Treat active duodenal ulcers, maintain treatment of heal duodenal ulcers. Side effects are nausea, diarrhea, headache, abdominal pain. Drug interaction, Antazanavir. Proton pump inhibitor may decrease the absorption of Antazanavir. Please consider therapy modification. For this drug, there is no off-label information. Mechanism action, decrease acid secretion in gastric parietal cell through inhibition of H+ or K+ ATPase enzyme system, blocking the final step in gastric acid production. Route administration by oral. Special population for pediatric. Brand name are 30 mg caplet Lancet, 30 mg caplet Prolance, 30 mg caplet Loprazole. The third drug is pantoprazole. It is to treatment and maintenance of healing erosive esophagitis associated with GERD. Side effects are nausea, vomiting, headache, diarrhea, and abdominal pain. Drug interaction, Antazanavir, proton pump inhibitor may decrease the absorption of Antazanavir. Please consider therapy modification. Off-label, peptic ulcers disease, active ulcers bleeding, parental formulation, adjunct treatment with the antibiotic for Helicobacter pylori, peridication, stress ulcers, prophylaxis in the critically ill. Mechanism action, suppress gastric acid secretion by inhibiting the parietal cell H+ or K+ ATP pump. Route administration by oral and injection. Special population, renal impairment, hepatic impairment. Brand name are 40 mg injection powder Rosulanza, 40 mg injection powder Gazole, 40 mg injection powder Pantopa. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.